Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to log into your Solflare Wallet. To log into your Solflare Wallet, first of all, open the Solflare application, and once you get to this welcome screen, tap on Restore Wallet to log into your existing wallet. In the Enter Your Recovery Phrase option, you will need to enter your recovery phrase in the correct order. Type it down in the text box and tap on Confirm at the bottom. On the next page, you'll need to enter your passcode for the wallet. Type down a passcode and confirm the passcode once again. Right after you do that, you have an option to enable biometrics. If you want to do it right now, tap on Enable. If you don't want to do it right now, do it later, tap on Not Now. Right after you do that, you will be able to import your existing wallet with the help of the recovery phrases. So that's how you easily recover or log into your Solflare wallet. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.